What's up, what pop, y'all? It's your girl, Maniki Yana, and welcome back to an installment of Braiding with Yana. This is my mannequin, and I am Yana, and we make up Maniki Yana. Everything styling from mannequin heads, fashion mannequins, dolls, and wig reviews. So I hope you guys enjoy the channel. Make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And let's get into this 101 braiding practice with Manikiana. Look in the description box so you guys can get the full playlist. Purchase your very own mannequin head. The parting combs to help you on your journey as you learn to braid with Yana. Alright, I've been practicing doing the cornrows myself back here or whichever. So on the room that I have left, I will be showing you guys how to do that single braid. Take this section right here and show you all how to do a underhand single braid. Yeah, let's do it here. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna put my comb over here so it hooks over there. Let's say you about to do your daughter's hair and you sectioned her hair off and you parted it, right? Okay, so we're just gonna put the rubber band around the hair, just like the underhand braiding. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, how I hold the pieces. The way that I'm holding it, instead of a pinch here on the left, a pinch here on the right, I'm actually holding it with my middle finger on both sides, and I'm pinching it in the middle. So I'm taking my middle finger here, and I'm holding the right piece here. I'm taking my middle finger here, and I'm holding the left piece. And then I actually pinch the middle. So it's middle finger scoop, and I pinch with this hand, my dominant hand. Now, if you are a left-hander, you might want to pinch with your left hand because it's your dominant hand. The overhand braider, your hands are doing this, where you can see the back of your hands as you braid. That's a overhander. When you braid underhand, you see your fingernails as you braid. It's like, look at the flick of the wrist. If you flicking your wrists as you braid, you are we can see your wrist and your nails. Look at the flick of the wrist and the nails. You're braiding underhand. If you braid like this, you're braiding overhand. Video, and I'm like, oh, it looks kind of dark, so let me do it up against a white background as opposed to that placemat that I had. So here we go. Splitting it, middle finger. Splitting it, middle finger. Here we go. See that? Middle finger this, middle finger that, holding it like that. Okay. Finger holding it, middle finger holding it, pincher, dominant hand. Go ahead and pinch. Make sure you got a good grip of it. Sometimes you gotta grip it from the top so you have a good grip. One thing about your grip, you guys, if you hold it closer to her scalp, you have a stronger grip. If you try to grip the hair from way down here, your braid is going to be loose. Okay? So, let's do this again. So, gonna go ahead. We got the pincher ready, and we're holding the other stuff with the middle finger. So, here we go. Piece here. Grip it. Don't grip it hard like this. Just let it be a hook. And then close your hand. This, same thing, close your hand on your dominant hand. If you are a righty, pinch it with this. If you are a lefty, pinch it with this. If you are a lefty, go ahead and braid it like this. Go ahead and braid it on your left. If you are left-handed, braid it this way first. If you are a dominant right-hander, go ahead and start this way first, which is what I'm going to do. So, we're going to go ahead and twist the pincher piece over to the right. Okay? Pinch your fingers from the opposite hand to grab the middle piece now. We're now twisting. We now have twisted this. Wait, Jesus, what? Pinchers from the opposite hand and twisting it. Taking the pinchers from the opposite hand, twisting it. Taking the pinchers from the opposite hand, twisting the middle piece. Pinchers from the opposite hand, twisting the middle piece. Pinchers from the opposite hand, twisting the middle piece. Pinchers from the opposite hand, twisting the middle piece. Pinchers from the opposite hand, twisting the middle piece. Opposite hand, twist. We're now doing the opposite hand, twisting to the left, grabbing with the right hand, twisted to the right. Grabbing with the left hand, twisting to the left, grabbing with the right hand. We're pinching, twisting, pinching, twisting. Opposite, pinch, twist, opposite, pinch, twist, opposite, pinch, twist, opposite, pinch, twist. Opposite, pinch, twist, opposite, pinch, twist, opposite, pinch, twist, opposite, pinch, twist. You're always holding the hair with your middle finger. You're always grabbing the hair with your pinchers on the opposite hand. Okay? So that's how that looks. And this is how your braid looks. Okay? Let's do that one more time.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything, get ready for transformation. I love that.
Middle finger holds the hair, close the hand. Not super tight. Middle finger, opposite hand, holds a piece. So you got a piece in the middle finger here and a piece in the middle finger here. This piece of hair right here is pinched by your dominant hand. And twist on the dominant side first. If you are lefty, twist on your left side. If you are righty, twist on your right side. This is now needs to be grabbed by your left hand. So once you twist it, opposite hand pinch. Twist it, opposite hand pinch. Pinchers, opposite hand twist. 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 Do 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 do. And then you start getting the gist of how to do the braid. And you are twisting your wrist under. This is a underhand braid, guys. This is a underhand braid, y'all. All right, y'all. So that is my underhand braid. See? Y'all have any questions or you want me to redo something, redo a part, make sure you guys go ahead and pause and play and rewind if you're not understanding what I'm saying, okay? Share any feedback and comments that you have regarding to however you braid. And if you have like a better or easier suggestion to do braiding, let me know, because I'm not an expert and I am willing to learn as much as I'm hoping you guys are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your girl, Manikiana.